we got that part. So what are we gonna do now, Zane? We're gonna check out these slides that are right behind you. Okay, let's do it. And Zane's heading over to the slides. He's going up the stairs now. He's taking his time up the stairs over there. These are the slides. We got the grasshopper, or sorry, we have the praying mantis, and we have a big giant caterpillar one, and that looks pretty cool. And Zane's making his way over. I see him up top there. He's following the kids up top, past the lifeguard, and he knows exactly where he's going. And he's getting on the slide, and he's gonna wait his turn because there's a little kid coming. And we're gonna wait for his turn. You see him at the top of the slide there. Way at the top, here he comes. He's gonna come down now. And let's go over here. And he's coming down. I see him coming, thumbs up, yeah. Okay. And what do you think, buddy? Was that a good slide? Yeah? Thumbs up for you? Okay, so thanks for watching us on Zane's Time today. And awesome. Okay, Zane's back for Zane's Time, and he's up there on the slide. I don't know which one he's on. I think he might be on the blue one this time. Coming down, here he comes in the blue slide. Here he comes. Woo! Awesome. And here he comes. He's swimming up. He's swimming up. Nice job, buddy. Thumbs up for that one, eh?